Congratulations, my people. Congratulations, my people. You know, I don't have much to say. I have a video for you. We have the way out. Yoruba Nation, Biafra. Adupe. You know, when you have an informative information. So correct. Yeah, hold on. When you have an informative information, like Ejo Ekombami Farabale wo video yi, subscribe, share, and comment. We have our way out. Like, let's just be happy. If I have like a video here, let's go, please.
If Yoruba Nation agitators, Biafran, Middle Betters, and those part of the north, they now heard one voice and say we are going now. And Yoruba declare in Ibadan or in Benin Republic, maybe that is where they have their power. And what do you call it? Biafra declare in Sierra Leone or that country they use now. Finland. Or what do you call it? The Niger Delta force declare their own in Canada. And another declare their own in Cameroon. And the same day, the same time, the same hour. I am telling you, the country, the agitation is now one.
So it's going to work.
It's going to work because those people that are supposed to work on it will say that means the country is tired too late. There is one big problem we have in Nigeria.
Okay.
Olóòótọ́, an honest person cannot rule this country. Because when he's taking honest decision from our home, from beginning of our house, corruption is in our fingertip. We were born inside corruption. We grew inside corruption and we encourage corruption. Can you imagine something on social media, people will use it and laugh? It's not a laughing matter. When you are doing naming ceremony for a baby and the woman brought out a biro, the prophetess that are supposed to pray for the child.
Okay.
We don't know what the prophetess put in her mouth. We don't know the spirit that is working with her. We don't know those angeli that will say amen to what she say. She said, Omota billionaire, the pikin wey born today, I gave you this biro. You be among the people that will steal Nigeria money and become a billionaire. For a baby that is just coming up. We are celebrating corruption. Our mindset is damaged. In Nigeria, father goes to Abali's, mother goes to Abali to do mercy for their Yahoo boys. Former governor of Kaduna State. Who we thought is one of the best we can celebrate in Nigeria. The son. The FCC on the tip, they didn't give him information and they busted the house. And on busting the house, he saw security outfit nearly overpowered the FCC outfit. They killed 2 EFCC personnel, and they deal a lot of injury and blow on the other years. But they were able to penetrate, and inside this apartment, billions of naira, millions of dollars, millions of pounds, cocaine worth 1 billion naira, cocaine, drug. Are you telling me the father didn't know this is what the son is doing? But they will give him chieftaincy title even where it's not his father's land. When he's registering it, who are the people that approve the plan? They've known this thing for a longer period of time. It's because there is no way they can hide now. That is why they declare it. Sebi they use how many years looking for Yaya Bello?
Yaya Bello.
Is Yaya Bello in Nidu? They know how to get somebody abroad and package him here and go arrest him. But Yaya Bello in Nigeria. You say Yaya Bello is hiding in government house in Kogi State governor's house. Government house. Is it unaccessible to the EFCC as law enforcement agent? Let me give you a good example why I say an honest person cannot rule Nigeria. The early 80s, or can I say late 80s? That's around 80 something. That time 98. I think I'm not sure of that day. That time when military was the head of state, military
achievement.
We celebrate corruption, we celebrate bad behavior, we celebrate immorality in Nigeria. We don't celebrate achievement. Look at, I said this earlier, I don't know if you are the one that conducted the interview. During the Big Brother Niger, 1 year, Big Brother Niger, an indigenous of Ogun State, whether I carry first or second, this same governor Abiodun, that was there, welcome this man that naked himself on TV That's bathing naked and doing immorality on TV, and gave him house, gave him million, and make him youth ambassador. How do you expect other youth to go to school? How do you expect them to be serious? In Delta State, maybe one BB, whether now first or second two, Delta State governor. God is so wonderful. God really exposed the two governors, because what happened in Ogun still happen in Delta. I will tell you the two instances. The guy, whether na first or second, the Delta State governor welcome big brother Naija hero, gave houses, give millions, and gave ambassador something for Delta State, representing Delta youth. What has he achieved, Oshi, that make us to celebrate him? Then that year, that same time, Ogun State boy score decision in white, the best in West Africa Examination Council. And Governor Abiodun, this same Governor Abiodun, gave him a laptop and 100,000. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń wò mí, tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi níbikíbi káàkiri àgbáyé, orúkọ tèmi ni His Special Majesty Ààrẹ Ọba Ambassador Adéyẹmí. Mẹ́gà ti fi doctor sí, ó dọ̀la.
A sì máa fi doctor náà sí.
Ó dọ̀la ká tó fi doctor sí.
Okay, sir. Ẹ ṣé gan, sir. Please, let's start from this, because this is one of the current issue in the society.
Crucial.
Yes, crucial. Recently, this month, Biafra nation, Biafra, they declare their own country, but not in Nigeria, right from Finland. He said they are no more part of Nigeria. They display their currency, their passports, and everything. But before then, the government of Finland has already detained Simon Epan and some guys with him. What can you say concerning the declaration of Biafra at this moment?
You want to put me in a tight corner. Why is a tight corner? Is because Yoruba, we have Nigeria, we have this tribal sentiment. When the Yoruba man say the truth thing about another tribes,
yes,
if some people may condemn him, or another tribe will say because he no be our tribe. When an Igbo man say the right thing,
like a share,
the Yoruba and the Hausa will say no be Yamini, na idiot, you don't know what he's doing. But there's one question I want to ask. Among those people that declare, what is their age bracket? Do we have elders in Igbo land with them? Do we have some people that we can say they have saying?
They are like prominent people.
Prominent people among them. Because sometimes when I watch people doing demonstration, I laugh. When you see area boys, you see they don't call Agbero are not area boys because it's their job. It's only because of the behavior of some of them that we class them Omo Agbero, Omo Ota. But Omo Ota, torí area boys, torí wọn tí wọ́n gbé play card, we don't want you must know that until wọ́n get on one one na wetin they go chop, then they fine. When you go to the north to see these Yandabas, you see these Almonjiris demonstrating. Look at a case of those people that were arrested for carrying a foreign flag during the protest. Call one or two reasonable person among those boys. Those people that gave them money, go and demonstrate. They didn't care about them. They don't know their whereabouts again.
At all.
So I am not saying the declaration is right or wrong. But one thing I want to say is this: it's not only Biafra that agitated to be on their own.
Yes.
We have Yoruba nations being championed by Awon Baba for a longer time before we saw our active and Ogbotagiriman Sunday Igboho. When he now comes out, the thing now become the whole world now know this thing is getting serious. Mo sọ nínú program kan gba yẹn pé interview tẹsí nígbà kan pé bó náà ṣe gbé gbà ní. Torí level education àti kọ̀ọ̀kan máa ń ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ nínú gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn bá ṣe. Let's assume pé àwọn tó fẹ́ Yorùbá nations, they gather themselves together and have one voice. Can they locate those people that are agitating for Biafra? Those who are shouting on middle betters, I think they have their own representative too. We have the Niger Delta boys that are looking, people that are looking for way to be on their own too. Even among these people that declare, most of the states that are included in their declaration, they have been disowning it that they are not Biafra. No. Even the Igbo elders, the IPOB seniors have said they don't have anything to do with the declaration. So their own work is not well done. They're supposed to have done a very good own work. But my own concern is not only Biafra. Let Yoruba nation agitators, that's Odua nation, and I knew Yoruba nation and Odua nation are the one. So let the middle betters get their heart together. I think I read it in the newspaper where some side of Hausa in the north agitated to be on their own too.
Yes.
So if these people are agitated to be on their own, let them have representatives to hold meeting together. When they meet together, they should declare a day as Freedom Day or Declaration Day.
Declaration Day.
I think somebody told me they have right to declare in outside countries.
In exile. Yes.
In exile.
Because there are some countries that have already declared in exile.
And they succeeded.
Yes.
It's not immediately. But then they declare in exile, some the nation will physically with it. But one thing I want to tell you, is this: if Yoruba nation agitators, Biafran, middle betters, and those part of the north, they now heard one voice and say we are going now, and Yoruba declare in Ibadan or in Benin Republic, maybe that is where they have their power, and what do you call it, Biafra declare in Sierra Leone or that country they use now, Finland, or what do you call it, the Niger Delta force declare their own in Canada, and another declare their own in Cameroon, and the same day, the same time, the same hour. I am telling you, the country, the agitation is now one.
So it's going to work.
It's going to work because those people that are supposed to work on it will say that means the country is tired truly. But the law is supporting us. Law of amalgamation said after 100 years, if you are not ready to or prepared to be together again, you can split. But not with violence. You know, I used to repeat it. Not with violence. Because if you start violence today, for example, the violence the IPOB or the Biafra agitators are putting in them, who is it affecting? On Monday, you can't go out.
Yes.
They burn the court, police station, big men houses, destroy cars. This car doesn't belong to federal government.
At all.
It's not for the state government. This thing belongs to their own Igbo people, the indigenous, the indigenous people. Now, food, those who will give you food, they are coming with trailer of food. This thing, you will let them on road and burn it. Is that an agitation? It's terrorism. But in that area, I don't want to waste much time. Let all the people agitating, let them become one. I go. Lóńjọ méjò níyà bí Èkó ṣe lágbára tó as big as Lagos is, as big as Onitsha is. When you see Manamana 50, Sebe 50, Agbadu 50, and Ere now display at the back. Agbadu begin to stand up, they call like this. Python begin the waka go, and other immediately they reach up in wake and they see 500 snake or 1,000 snake at the same time. The whole community will go, nobody will stay.
Nobody.
Only Yorùbá sọ pé àìrìn po ejò ló jọ mọ ejò níyà. Then you can use one broom to break and light fire. Can you break a bunch of broom?
No.
So let them come together, and if they meet this, they know what they are doing, and they should carry responsible people along. That will not be like child play. When responsible and what do you call it, the reasonable human beings are not involved, people will take them to be a joke, and their heart is not working together. So that's my stand on it. I think those who are listening will know they must do something about that.
All right, sir. Sir, concerning other situation in Nigeria, because recently the former governor of CBN, so they discovered about 730 something duplex. So a lot of people are wondering that since why is it taking them so long?
There is one big problem we have in Nigeria.
Okay.
Olóòótọ́, an honest person cannot rule this country. Because when he's taking honest decision from our home, from beginning of our house, corruption is in our fingertip. We were born inside corruption. we grew inside corruption, and we encourage corruption. Can you imagine something on social media, people will use it and laugh? It's not a laughing matter. When you are doing naming ceremony for a baby, and the woman brought out a biro, the prophetess that are supposed to pray for the child.
Okay.
We don't know what the prophetess put in her mouth. We don't know the spirit that is working with her. We don't know those angeli that will say amen to what she say. She say, "Omota billionaire, the pikin wey we born today, I gave you this biro. You be among the people that will steal Nigeria money and become a billionaire." For a baby that is just coming up.
Newborn baby.
Even the newborn baby cannot talk, he can hear. His spirit is talking that I must go to this place and destroy the economy and everything. Emefiele case is not case of only Emefiele. It's case of millions of people involved in this. Can't we enact a law in Nigeria like other countries that have been here? When you caught anybody in corruption, don't allow any stupid lawyer to come and say you are for a Kenekan a queen in this human right for a thief. I saw the video of the house and nearly piece for my trouser. How can a single human being accumulate such thing? Did he even remember he's going to leave those things and die? Don't we have town planning authority in Abuja? Don't we have government that approve plan of things? Which name do they use to register those things? Say àwọn government officer ọmọ lọbẹ lọ gbowó gbà kọkọ ní.
tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan tí ìṣe méjì tí ìṣe
700 plus something. It's not 10 houses, it's not 20, and a house of that occupies 700 and something duplex will be up to 10 acres.
Village wa gan ilé tó wà ní òtọ́.
In my own village I no sure say reach 700 and something building. And that means one single person owns a whole Ikotun and a God assist. When he's registering it, who are the people that approve the plan? They've known this thing for a longer period of time. It's because there is no way they can hide now. That is why they declare it. Sebi they use how many years looking for Yaya Bello?
Yaya Bello.
Is Yaya Bello in Idu? They know how to get somebody abroad and package him here and go arrest him. But Yaya Bello in Nigeria. You say Yaya Bello is hiding in government house. In Kogi State governor's house, government house. Is it unaccessible to the EFCC as law enforcement agent? If they want to arrest me or you now, they know where to get me under bed and inside toilet anywhere I go. But when they want to, when it's we now we, that is what is killing Nigeria. Let me give you a good example why I say an honest person cannot rule Nigeria. Early 80s, or can I say late 80s? That's around 80 something. That time 98, I think I'm not sure of that day. That time when military was the head of state, military is the governor, but they put civilian as local government administrator. There is a local government called Igwebe local government where I am married. I think you have been to the place before.
Yes.
There's, I can't remember the name of that chairman that time. The chairman of that place, he tried his best to electrify the whole community, put roads, do good things. The chairman there was using what do you call it, Mercedes-Benz regular. He did not allow the wife to do first lady buga buga. The man is so honest. He didn't allow anybody to eat money anyhow. He gave good accountability of what is coming, and the community is developing. Governor Atta was the governor of Edo State then. Then Atta said he want to do birthday, and he asked all the local government chairmen to bring 100,000 that time. That's just asking a local government chairman to bring 100 million now. Now this man look at it and say, if I remove 100,000 from my allocation, what will I do for my people? The man put whether 10 or 20,000 that time, put it inside an envelope and draw a very big portrait of Governor Atta. And when they got to government house, each local government were presenting their district. He came here and danced with the portrait. Everybody was happy and they gave envelope. Then
mo rò pé gbogbo àná la gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá wa HSM tó ń sọ yìí ẹ̀wọ̀ àwọn àlàyé yẹn wọ́n ṣe break it down. Ẹ wo strategy tá a lè lò tó bá jẹ́ pé Biafra Yoruba nation tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo àfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ àti part of Hausa tán láwọn fẹ́ dá wà wọ́n tán agree lórí pé it is better for them to be on their own. Tó bá jẹ́ pé òun wá ṣe ẹyọ kan tí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ voice at the same time kò sí a máa rí kí ní achieve lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni ẹ̀gẹ́tẹ̀ báwo ni èèyàn kan ṣe máa jalè billions of naira which is meant for gbogbo ìlú kó dẹ̀ dápò ẹ find it difficult láti mú ẹni ẹ fódìdí ọdún kan ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tó ń ṣe fún writer yẹn nítorí pé ó refill àwọn nǹkan kọ̀ọ̀kan nípa yín ẹ̀dẹ̀ mú ẹ fi handcuff sí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yà Bello tóun jí owó òun dẹ̀ ń work free ṣe mọ́ ilé yẹn gẹ́tà síbi ẹjọ́ bá mi subscribe like fídíò yìí ẹ comment ẹ share ẹ jẹ́ kó tún lọ fàáfàá ẹ bó kó lọ fà ẹ rí pé àwọn information pọ̀ náà ìgbọ̀n tó dẹ̀ yẹ kó wà useful God bless you ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Akọ TV ẹ ṣé gan God bless you bye.